sparkly vixens, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Pinup Monroe. I do retro hauls, retro tutorials, vintage book hauls. I do other things in the vintage retro niche spectrum. That is a niche on this channel, so if you like, hit like and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you guys can get more updates when I upload more videos. And yes, babes, happy holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. I enjoyed my Thanksgiving. I had a good meal. I enjoyed it with my family and my son, and I'm just happy to enjoy it. And another thing too I would like to add is I am coming out with more videos and more hauls, so keep on the lookout for that. And a special shout out to my son. He wanted me to shout him out in this video, and I told him I will. Say, hey Muffin, how are you? Mommy loves you. Happy holidays. And I hope you love Mommy's shout out, because I love you so much. And he wanted me to shout him out. So guys, I hope you guys love that I shout him out. He's my biggest mini fan on my channel, so he's always on my channel looking at my videos. And yes, I just wanted to shout my Muffin Man out, Elijah. I love him so much, and I'm glad that he's able to watch my videos. So yes, guys, if you guys want to watch this video even longer, I am coming out with a nylon video. That is what this video is about nylons from what Katie did, and other nylon companies. But most of this haul is from what Katie did. These is all gifts. I did not buy them. These were bought for me. So I just wanted to see, you know, what the hype was about, because I'm starting to wear more nylons with my vintage outfits, and I just wanted to see what the hype was about. And so these were gifted to me, and so I thought, let me make a nice haul and show, you know, open these up and share them with you guys. So if you guys like, please watch the rest of this video and tell me what you think about my nylon haul. Alright vixens, now before we get into it, I've already opened these nylons up. I've tried them on, and I wanted to give my honest review on these, because I really think they are very pretty and they really pull a retro outfit look together. So this is the first nylon. This is by what Katie did. It is the curve nylon. I'm a plus size model, so these is for plus size. They do have for petite. They have all sizes and ranges, and plus the sizing says this on the back, so you'll be able to see the sizing. This is how the inside looks like. And this is the burgundy. Well, I think these is called, it's the claret. I don't know. Yeah, this is called claret. This is the shade claret. I've tried these on already, guys. Let me know if y'all want me to do like a try on video to show y'all how these will look with heels. But this is how they look. They have the seam line in the back, and this is how the bottom looks. So if you guys are interested in what Katie did nylons, I highly will recommend. I do know there's other companies. Now I will say this about what Katie did, you know, regardless of what you think about this company, these were gifted to me, so this is just like my opinion on it. I never bought anything from them. I did hear some things about this certain company, but for the most part, you know, I'm just trying to bring my honest opinion about it and not sugarcoat, because you guys all know sugarcoat nothing on this channel. So I just want to be honest in my honest opinion, and I did research on the background of that company and what they're about, who, you know, if they work with women of color, if they are they fair with them, you know. And so far I haven't seen really nothing bad about this company. I have heard about some things about this company where some, you know, other people's opinions, how they feel about them. But these were gifted to me, and I just wanted to, you know, give my honest opinion about it. But this is what this looks like, and it's the color in claret, and this is the top, and these fitted pretty good. They don't snag easily, so that's one thing I do like about these. I also like that, you know, they are very stretchy, so it does, you know, it does fit around thicker thighs. So if this is what you're interested in, then I would highly recommend that you try their nylons. I think you don't have to just get them from what Katie did. I think you can also get them from Playful Promises. I think that's another place you can get your nylons from. But yeah, this is one of them that I like so far. Now this is another from what Katie did. This is in black curve, and this is how this one looks. This is all black, so if you're like interested in black stockings, this has the seam in the back, so if you're interested in that, this will be probably something you may be interested in. It does have the seam. I know it's kind of hard to see it, but it does have it. This is the seam. It has it in the back. And I will say for these fit pretty well. I just kind of wish they were more opaque where you can kind of see my leg more, but for the most part, I like these. You know, I have tried these on with garters, so you know they do hold up pretty well. I will advise you guys to wear a garter with like more than 4 straps, because the garters I wore with these, it fitted really well, but I feel like it would be more secure if I had more than 4 straps, 4 garters. I mean 4 straps on the garters. So I feel like that would be a good, you know, idea, you know. So I think I'm going to invest in some garters with more than 4 straps. But these is a nice pair. And this is another one from what Katie did. And this is the Glamour seam stockings. This is the sheer, this is the point heel one and curved one. And these are in nude. And this is how it looks right here. So, you know, these fit really well. These were way more stretchy than the other 2 I showed you guys. And then they also have the seam in the back. All these stockings besides one, unless I say has seams in it. But this one's really just stretchy, and it really fit over my thighs really, really, really well. I just love stockings. I think they really do seam stockings pull a vintage outfit together, because back in those times, women, you're supposed to wear stockings under your dresses. So I think, you know, these are really nice, and I like them too. And they don't really snag. So that's another thing that I like about them, is that these don't really snag, and I think these are just so freaking cute. This one is also in black, and this is the curve in black. Now this one's the opaque with the black line in the back of them. This is how they look, and they do have them in multiple colors, guys. So I do highly recommend that you guys check them out if you're into pink ones, or blue, or green, or orange, or yellow, red. They have them in different colors. That's the cool thing about these stockings, is they have them in multiple colors. But this is another one. This is my favorite pair so far. I feel this will go with any, you know, outfit that you're trying to when you wear, you know, stockings. This is like my favorite pair, and you can see it has like the seam in the back. These fit really, really, really well. I like these so much. I do wish they kind of had like the part where it can stay up, but I've worn stockings where it had the sticky parts inside of them, and they will still roll down. These do not roll down. These are plus size friendly, so if you are into stockings that are plus size, for plus size women, I will recommend these. These are really nice, and you can see how they look right here. And then this is the packaging. I also like the packaging with the curvy lady on it. This is the back, and it has the sizing. So these goes from size small to large, and then they go from curve. So curve is like for plus size. So if you're a plus size lady and you know you're looking for stockings, retro stockings, vintage reproduction, then these is a good one. I also think that, you know, I also like that they don't slip when you wear heels. So these don't like slide down easy or anything like that. That's one thing I do like about these. They don't slide down. You got to keep pulling them up. So that's another thing I do like about these. Alright, Vixens. Now my last pair is these. This is by Playful Promises, by Betty Page. Playful Promises, and these are the fishnet seam tights. These are not stockings. These are tights. It's the luxury hosiery, and this is how it looks in the front, and then this is how it looks in the back, and then this is the. These are the tights. So they do go all the way up to your waist, and these are extremely stretchy, guys. Like I can't like say that enough how stretchy these are. These give me so much room, and they're very comfortable. And say if you don't want to, you know, wear thigh highs, wear a garter, this is a good alternative too as well. It has a seam in the back, so you still have that seam, that vintage retro classic look if that's what you're, you know, that's what you want, and it still has it. So if you just want just to wear tights, this is a good alternative if you don't want to do thigh highs. I do like the fishnetting too, and it's not that big, so but they are it is very stretchy. So if you guys are into, you know, if you guys are into that, then these will be a perfect fit for you. And these are these curved? I don't know if these are plus size, if this is plus size as well. Yeah, this goes from small to extra large, and this is an extra large, so it's for plus size women as well. And these will work out too if you're interested. So I highly recommend these two, and they're really nice. I like these. I tried these on with my heels and my dresses, and this was really comfortable to wear, so I like these. I do highly recommend, and it has the elastine waistband too, so it's comfortable. You won't be uncomfortable wearing these. All right, baby, so that is it. This is my nylon haul. Tell me what you guys think about this haul. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What do you think about, you know, the selection I have? Have you guys tried it for yourselves? Have you guys gifted these to anybody and they like them? Oh, and let me know some other brands that you guys recommend. Is there any other hosiery nylon brands that you recommend that I should check out? All questions is welcome. I welcome all questions, and let me know what you think. So babies, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you babies again soon. Bye, dolls.